Welcome to Learn About Dinosaurs. Let's learn some cool things about these amazing creatures from millions of years ago. Dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes. Some were as small as a chicken, while others were bigger than a house. The T-Rex may look fast and scary, but scientists believe it could only run about 12 to 20 miles per hour, not as fast as we thought. The Ankylosaurus was like a tank. It had thick, heavy armor and even a club at the end of its tail to protect itself from predators. Dinosaurs could be herbivores, eating only plants, or carnivores, eating meat. Some even ate both. Most of what we know about dinosaurs comes from fossils. These are the bones, teeth, and even footprints that got left behind and turned into rock. The dinosaur with the longest name is Micropachycephalosaurus. Phew, try saying that 3 times fast. Did you know, some dinosaurs had feathers? They weren't just scaly, many like velociraptors were covered in feathers just like birds. The word dinosaur comes from Greek and means terrible lizard. But don't worry, not all of them were terrible. Dinosaurs, just like birds, hatched from eggs. Some eggs were as big as a basketball. Dinosaurs went extinct about 65 million years ago, possibly because of a huge asteroid. But guess what? Birds are their closest living relatives. Thanks for learning with us today. Dinosaurs may be extinct, but the fun facts about them never end. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more fun facts. And give me a thumbs up.